Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this tutorial, I will explain how to create a lightsaber. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's get started. The first step is to open the image we will be using. Add a new layer. Select the brush tool, color white, round, suitable size, hardness 25%, opacity and flow 100%. Click where you want the lightsaber to start. Then hold Shift key and click the end point. This creates a line. Click Ctrl+T and click this button to switch between free transform and wrap modes to adjust the curvature of the saber. Right-click on the layer 1 and select Blending Options. Click on Outer Glow. Adjust the settings. Finally, set the lightsaber by deleting unwanted parts. This is the final result. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe and like if you found this tutorial helpful.